Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and you've been making comments and emailing me, what did I pay for my S2000, what did I pay? All right, so here's the video. So this is a 2004, which is the first year of the AP2, right? The AP1s were model year 2000, 2003, 2004 to 2009 were the AP2. So this is the first year AP2, so it still has the cable throttle, not the drive-by-wire. It doesn't have traction control or stability control, like the 2006 got, but they had the electronic throttle. And I found a car just like mine, yellow, with about 30,000 miles for sale locally for $35,000. The owner didn't want to negotiate it. He wanted to wait till he got that price, and I'm sure he got that price no problem. If you wait long enough, you'll get it. I sold my low mileage 06 red back when I was unemployed. I had to sell it. Wait, let's do acceleration first. Wow. And I'm not breaking the speed limit, that's the best part. So I sold that car for, in 2018, I think, or 2019. 2018. Wow, so I went 3 years without an S2000. With low miles, 13,000 miles for 28,000. And it took me about a year to get that 28,000. Everybody offered me 26. You know, maybe people were trying to flip the car. Maybe they didn't feel a low mileage S2000 would be worth 28, but I held out and I got my number. Now, that car is going to come up for sale soon, and the person I sold it to wants 45. So that shows you where the market's gone in 3 short years. Turn, downshift, yeah, red badge, all right. So I got really lucky. I actually found that red 06 at a Toyota dealer, and I think it was underpriced. I got it in the low 20s, and it was definitely probably a $25,000, $26,000 car, because I bought it with 11,000 miles. You know what, we're gonna go straight here because there's some more twisties. Sorry, we'll take that road after. No, 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 oh no! That guy cut right in front of me. All right, well that'll slow me down. So remember, 06 that I bought in the low 20s in 2015, 16, lost my job at the end of 17, had to sell in 18, got 28 for it, which was the height of the market. I tried to put that car and bring a trailer. They would only give me a reserve at 24, and I felt it was worth every penny at 28. I was unemployed, I needed the money. I could not take 24 for it. So this car, believe it or not, this is an 04 with 31,000 miles, came up on Auto Trader in February for $24,995. Yes, $24,995. So I bought it instantly before they even posted a picture, because I wanted yellow or Laguna Blue or the new Formula Red, which I had previously. And my first S2000 was an 04 in Sebring Silver. And so I bought it. The one thing it needed after going through the dealer with the car was it had original tires on it. Or, yeah, their tires were original, so they were, what, 16, 17 years old? So the dealer actually tried to get more money. They realized, said afterwards, that they underpriced the car. Of course, there's traffic. Sorry, guys. I don't want to sit in a parking lot and tell you about prices. I want to enjoy the car by driving it. So they called me back and said they underpriced the car. That actually, they told me that Auto Trader made a mistake. And I do real estate listings all the time. The listing service, wherever you list it, puts in the price you tell them. They don't arbitrarily put a number, and then you have to put in the real price, and it takes 48 hours. So that's what the sales manager was trying to tell me, that Auto Trader put the wrong number, and the car is really, I don't know what it was going to be, a $30,000 car. So I said, no way, you advertise on that. I agreed to buy it. I have it in writing. I'm holding you to it. And then he called me back. I never yell at anybody, and my kids were like, Daddy, who are you yelling at? Because I was yelling and probably cursing at the guy. You shouldn't do that. So he called me back. He goes, look, he goes, I can't sell it for the $24,995. He goes, but it does need tires. I'm going to raise it $1,000, and actually he's going to raise it $500, and he'll give me essentially $1,000 in tires, because they were going to put cheap all seasons on it for $500. It's Sport 4S's, and I'll pay the difference. So essentially, they gave me a $500 credit, and I put the tires. So with the $1,000 for the tires, I got this car for under 26 grand. I think the total was 25.5, maybe 995, somewhere in that range. So that's a steal. I got this low mileage car original paint. I had the original paint verified and the 10 VIN stickers for under $26,000, for $25,500, which is an incredible deal. I think honestly today, you know, in a perfect market in the summertime, I think I could sell this car for $35,500. That's how perfect it is with the original paint, 100% stock, all the VIN panels. I'm not selling it. I made the mistake. Whoop, we're not going there. They're repaving the road. I made the mistake of selling this car once, and I will never, ever, well, two S2000s, and I will never, ever, 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 ever do that again. So thanks again for watching. That's what I paid for the car. It's worth a lot more, but I'm not selling it. So that's a lesson. Shop around. Maybe you'll have a dealer, like a Toyota dealer, somebody, not a Honda dealer, they would ask 35, 40 grand. But try to find, maybe a dealership doesn't really know what they have, where you can get one of these cars right away. And I think that would be really a pretty amazing deal. And sometimes you can save money that way. Typically when you buy from a dealership, you don't save any money. But in this case, I really think, you know, it pays to shop around. Don't buy the first car you see. And you know what? You could buy a car with paint work. You can buy a car that's missing VIN tags, no problem. But it just has to have, it's just got to be worth the amount. Acceleration. So you just don't want to overpay. You want to pay what that car is actually worth. All right, guys, so that's what I paid for the car. Let me know what you think about in the comments below. Let me know what you see 04s with 30,000 miles selling, or what do you think is the perfect price for buying a Honda S2000. I'm going to hit these twisties, but remember, I'll be reading your comments when I'm done with this drive, and I'll respond to all of them. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.